Hello guys, my name is Sepp Mechler. I'm very proud to present you the very first M model by BMW Motorrad, the M RR. The M RR is built for racer. The M RR is street legal. M stands for power, performance, racing and exclusivity, born on the racetrack. M stands for the strongest ladder in the world. And today I want to go with you guys in deep technical details of the M RR. This bike has the original M Motorsport color. You read it always from left to right. You have the light blue, dark blue and the red. And you have as well a black fuel cap and the engine cover in granite gray. This is M. Let's talk about the technique of the M RR. It's built for racing. It's street legal and it's the best performance for all racing team. Let's start on the wheel. We have the carbon wheels as standard. We have the M brakes, definitely benchmark. Then we have the winglets with a lot of performance. We have the engine with more horsepower, new chassis geometry, and in the end, full titanium exhaust system. The M competition package. Content with M milled parts, M carbon package, silver anodized swing arm, 201 gram lighter. Then the RR, low maintenance, free friction, DLC coated, M endurance chain and M GPS lap trigger. BMW M winglets, made out of carbon, tested massively on the racetrack and the BMW wind tunnel. What is the benefit of the winglets? Same top speed, better acceleration because the front keeps down. DTC, dynamic traction control, has less to work. It helps you as well on the brake because you have more load on the front. In the corner it keeps you turning and helps you to the apex. Down pressure, more load on the front. 140 kilometers, roughly 4 kilo. 200 kilometers between 7 and 10 kilo. 300 kilometers, 16.3 kilo downforce on the front. Conclusion, are you faster with the winglet? Of course. Per lap, 0.7 seconds till 1 second faster per lap. There's a big benefit. The engine is optimized for the M RR. Maximum RPMs 50,100, 212 horsepower at 40,500 RPMs, maximum torque 113 Newton meters at 11,000. More power between 6,000 and 50,100 RPMs. The engine is revving much higher, much freer. For that we have forged piston, we have titanium conrods, and we have a lighter rocker arm. It's 1.5 millimeters thinner and the cylinder head is more stable. The bike for racers. M titanium exhaust system, it's massive lighter, it's 3,657 kilogram lighter, it looks beautiful and you feel the weight reduction on the racetrack and on the street. M brakes, it's the very first time which BMW Motorrad has M brakes. It looks super nice, it's blue with the M logo. Each of these brake calipers are 60 gram lighter. The brake disc is 320 millimeter, thickness is 5 millimeter. What is the benefit of the M brakes? Crystal clear feedback. If you need more brake power, you just can a little bit pull and you get absolutely more performance. Super clear, super high performance on the street and on the racetrack. And we have as well a big benefit on the rear brake. The mounting point of the rear brake is under the swing arm. This is very easy now to remove the rear wheel and put it in or outside. M RR has a new chassis. All these changes are for more performance on the racetrack. Let's start on the front. Caster length is new, 101.4 millimeters, 7 millimeter more than the RR. Offset 26.5 millimeter, 3 millimeter less. Steering angle 66.2, 0.7 degree less. swing arm length 680.3 millimeter, 50 millimeter longer than the double R, wheelbase 1457 millimeter, and the seat height is 832 millimeter, the perfect ergonomy to be a winner on the racetrack. And we have much more. We have the M chassis kit, new -2 millimeter, 1 millimeter, 0, +1, +2 millimeter, and then we have the new threaded road with eccentric, very easy to adjust, rear height 6 millimeter new, and a new spring with 100 Newton per millimeter travel. Perfect chassis, go on the track and win. M carbon wheels, they are standard. They are 1.75 kilogram lighter than forged wheels. They're street legal, and the benefit for you is less rotating mass, and it's for your best lap time. Let's talk about the TFT 6.5-inch dashboard of the double R. We have the same on the M double R. We have adapted to the maximum RPMs of the engine, 50,100. What you can see on the end is the M GPS data logger. The data logger reckons over 300 racetracks worldwide, and you see directly your lap time in the dash. And later on, you can analyze it on your laptop and you see all your details. Have fun. I'm using the BMW Connected app on the country road, and you can analyze everything. You can watch where your ride was today, how fast you was, your lean angle, your deceleration, everything. You can use it as well for a navigation. The BMW Connected app is free of charge in the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. That you never run out of battery on your mobile phone, we have a USB socket on the back. Everything designed for the racetrack, like the remote brake adjuster. M GPS data logger, M protector for the radiator grill, central work stand, M carpet and tire warmer. All those for the pit lane, and even more parts are available as optional accessories. Special developed for racing, not for use on normal roads. 3 different engine kits for Superstock and Superbike, electronic kits, race exhaust system, configuration seats on tank, race body kit are all engineered and developed by BMW Motorrad and available by our partner Alfa Racing. The M RR, the bike. I just can say I love the winglets, I love the M brakes because they are so clear. The whole bike is just a masterpiece from the BMW team, and you guys must ride the bike. So leave comments and questions below on social media. Become a part of our community on the hashtag NeverStopChallenging. See you.